strong breeze today. We decided to put Cracker up. A little bit much wind for this boat. I didn't want to break anything, because that's where I was headed. This kind of wind, that boat, it doesn't like 25-30 mile an hour gust. It's a light boat, and I probably need about 8 300-pounders in there to hold it down. We went out and made an attempt to go race. It's a little much wind. Just a little bit too much breeze. We're still getting breeze off of that hurricane that come through down around, was it Texas, Louisiana, and then come up across, or was it Mississippi? I can't remember. But there's this little hurricane, not too strong of a hurricane, but we're getting the remnants, getting the blow from that storm. And we decided to throw in the towel. There's my crew out there, Bill. Yeah. Let's go put this life jacket up. That's a wrap.